Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna turn this into this. I'm gonna show you a quick and simple recipe to make chicken chow mein. The thing you wanna do is to blanch this chow mein in hot water. Put the noodles in, give it a quick stir. And the reason why you wanna do this is to break the noodles apart. When the noodles are broken apart, it will be easier to stir fry the noodle. This noodle is pretty thick. It's more like a udon style noodle that you can buy in most Asian market. As you can see now, it's all broken apart. And remove it out of the wok. With a dry wok, you want to go ahead and add a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. Go ahead and add your pre-marinated chicken. Go ahead and add your garlic as well and give it a quick stir fry. The chicken has been pre-marinated with some soy sauce, some pepper, and a little bit of cornstarch. Give it a quick stir fry, and it looks like it's almost done. Add the noodles. Add a couple tablespoons of soy sauce next. Keep on stir frying it. We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of chicken stock. Then we're gonna add some Chinese mustard green. If you do not have Chinese mustard green, you can use bok choy, broccoli, or any greens you like. And we have about a cup and a half here. We're gonna add about a cup of bean sprouts for crunch. I like pepper, so I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Noodles is a little bit dry, so I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken stock. Then I'm gonna finish it off with some green onions. And there you have it, guys. A quick and simple chicken chow mein in less than 10 minutes.